Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this New Year's Eve clock design. So I'm going to start by painting my nail with white magic and curing in my lamp. Then with black magic and my S1 brush, I'm going to draw a circle just off to one corner at the top of the nail, thicken the line up, and then using the brush straight out the bottle just to fill in the rest around the circle, and again cure in my lamp. Then taking a dotting tool and my S1 brush, I'm going to put a little dot in the middle, create my Roman numerals around the outside, and then just some little hands pointing to 10 to midnight. Then I'm going to matte top coat the whole design, and before I cure it I'm going to take sand, multi-glitz and my T1, and I'm going to pop the larger hexagonal pieces around the clock face and then filter them out towards the edge of the nail. Then I can cure in my lamp for 60 seconds, and I'm then going to just cover the clock face itself with original top coat to give that multi-textured look. And that's the final design.